While everyone's panicking about tether bans in Europe, one Swiss megabank just made a move so big it's impossible to ignore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why B, one of the world's largest banks, just increased its Bitcoin bet by 24 times and what it signals for the entire crypto market heading into the next phase. Here's what just happened. B disclosed they now hold call options on Bitcoin TFs worth over $41 million. That's not a typo. They went from holding less than 2 million to over 41 million in a single quarter. 2,400% surge. This isn't some hedge fund gambling on dog coins. This is B, the bank that manages over $5 trillion. The same bank that absorbed credit use. When institutions at this level move, they don't do it on a whim. Now here's where it gets interesting. Call options give you the right to buy an asset at a set price. They're betting Bitcoin goes up. Way up. Indeed, they're not alone. Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, J. Morgan, they've all been quietly stacking Bitcoin TF exposure over the last year. But be ramping up by this magnitude right now? That's a signal. They see something coming. Indeed, there's one detail almost everyone missed. I'll get to it in a moment. First, let's talk timing. This filing comes exactly when? Right as the threatens to ban Tether. Right as the C keeps crypto companies in regulatory limbo. Right as mainstream media screams about crypto being dead. That's not coincidence. That's strategy. Big money buys when everyone else is scared. Think about it. If you're B, you have access to information and analysis most retail investors will never see. You have teams of analysts watching macro trends, regulatory shifts, institutional flows. You don't suddenly 24x your position unless your models are screaming opportunity, unless you see the setup for something massive. Here's that detail I mentioned. B isn't just buying Bitcoin exposure. They're using call options specifically. That means they're positioning for upside while limiting downside risk. It's the same playbook institutions used before every major Bitcoin rally. Buy the dip through structured products. Let retail panic sell, then ride the wave up. Now, connect this to the bigger picture. O 2022. The new global banking standard that's reshaping how money moves. Banks like B aren't just buying Bitcoin for speculation. They're preparing for a financial system where digital assets are infrastructure, where tokenized securities, cross-border payments, and blockchain rails are normal. Bitcoin isn't some separate thing anymore. It's becoming part of the system. Indeed, when banks this size start positioning, it creates a domino effect. Smaller institutions watch what B does. Wealth managers adjust their models. Family offices allocate more capital. It legitimizes the entire space. This is how adoption actually happens. Not through hype, through institutional validation. But what does this mean for you? It means the narrative is shifting. While everyone debates whether crypto is dead, the smartest money in traditional finance is making massive bets that it's just getting started. B isn't gambling 41 million on a dying asset. They're positioning for what comes next. If you want to start trading Bitcoin or other tokens we discuss, you can use BitUnix. There's a link in the description that makes it easy to get started. Here's what to watch next. First, BS next quarterly filing. If they keep increasing their position, that confirms this isn't a one-time move. Second, watch Bitcoin's price action around the 65,000 level. That's where institutions have historically added exposure. Third, pay attention to more banks disclosing TF holdings. B won't be the last. When you see Bank of America or Wells Fargo start filing similar positions, that's your confirmation the institutional wave is real. ND watch for more IO 20022 compliant tokens getting attention from traditional finance. XR, XLM, LGO, HBR, these aren't random altcoins. They're built for the banking system B operates in. When banks buy Bitcoin, they're entering crypto. When they start using IO tokens, they're rebuilding the entire financial system. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Ways do your own research before investing. But understand this. When a $5 trillion bank increases its Bitcoin bet by 2,400% during a panic, that's not noise. That's signal. The question isn't whether institutions are coming. They're already here. The question is whether you're paying attention. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.